Let's be completely honest, finding Tay perfect gear can be stressful, but this is Tay ultimate find of the year. If you changes everything, you seriously need to see this. I was a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it feels incredibly high quality, I was completely sold. It is shockingly good at what it does cause it simply does its job beautifully, every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it delivers outstanding results instantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade. Go directly to the video description right now, click that product link, and grab yours today while stocks last. Product link product_link_ placeholder. Let's be completely honest, finding Tay perfect gear can be stressful, but this is Tay ultimate find of the year.